Every year, over 50,000 students take the SSAT to get accepted into independent and private schools. Are you one of them? Hi, I'm Shlomik from TestPrep Online, and in this video I'm going to provide you with everything you need to know about the SSAT and how to score high on this test. Let's get started. The SSAT is one of the main factors determining admission to independent schools in the US and in other countries. The SSAT tests verbal and quantitative skills and is usually very accurate in predicting success in the first year of secondary school. The questions on the test are all multiple choice, and each question has one correct answer. The test is administered 8 times a year, so make sure to stay updated regarding test dates. The SSAT has 3 levels: elementary, middle, and upper. In this video, we will focus on the upper level. If you are interested in the elementary or middle levels, take a look at our info pages. The links are in the description. Let's go through the structure of the upper level SSAT. The upper level has a total of 167 questions to be completed in 3 hours and 5 minutes. This includes 2 short breaks. The test begins with a writing section. Here you will have to choose between 2 types of prompts and write a text in response to that prompt. While this section is not scored, it is a chance to show the school how well you organize and express your thoughts. This section lasts 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. After the break, you will encounter the second part of the test, which is divided into 2 sections: quantitative and reading. The quantitative section is designed to assess understanding of quantitative concepts, such as estimation, rational numbers, interpretation of graphs, and more. Let's have a look at a sample question. In this question, you need to determine the length of the colored arc. Now here's a tip. The length of an arc is a portion of the circumference, as the central angle is a portion of 360. So start by dividing 60 by 360 to get that ratio. The reading section consists of several passages, each between 250 to 350 words, with a total of 40 questions to be completed in 40 minutes. The aim is to assess the student's ability to comprehend texts. The passages on the SSAT consist of 2 types: narrative, like excerpts from novels, prose, poetry, etc., and argument, a text presenting an opinion. Here's an example of a typical passage. Start by quickly reading the text, paying attention to the tone. What themes does it discuss? Is it a report, an essay? Is it aimed at a specific audience? Let's take a break. Hi again. Now we can continue to the third part of the test, in which you will encounter 2 sections: verbal and quantitative. The verbal section has 2 subsections: synonyms and analogies. It has a total of 60 questions to be completed in 30 minutes. The synonyms subsection assesses your vocabulary. Here you need to choose the word with the closest meaning to the word in capital letters. Try to write down a definition of the capitalized word and see which of the answers fits your definition. The analogies subsection assesses your ability to relate different ideas to one another. Try to define the relationship between the first pair of words and write it down. For example, pound is a unit for measuring weight. Then, check which pair in the answer maintains the same relationship. After the verbal section, you will face another quantitative section, pretty similar to the one you just completed. You will have 30 minutes to complete 25 questions. The last part of the SSAT is experimental and is not scored. It consists of 16 questions that are being tested for future SSAT tests, and you have 15 minutes to complete them. Here's a chart summarizing the structure of the upper level SSAT. The SSAT is a challenging test, and to score high you will need to practice properly. Allow yourself at least 2 months of practicing to give your skills enough time to improve. We welcome you to use our SSAT upper packs, as they will provide you with complete simulations of the different sections of the test, combined with detailed explanations, solving tips, and a detailed study guide on writing an essay. I hope you find this video helpful. Please comment if you have any questions or if you want to contribute anything for fellow SSAT applicants. Good luck on your upcoming SSAT exam!